Hey there, Handy Helpers. It's me, Andy. Welcome to my workshop where we fix it, build it, and learn it together. I just finished making something really cool in my workshop. Do you know what this is? This is called a fishing rod. We use it to go fishing and catch fish in the water. Let me show you how to use it. First, you hold it back like this. Then you throw it like this so the string goes out far into the water. Then, when you catch a fish, you use this handle to reel it in really fast. All right, Handy Helpers, follow me. Time to go fishing.
All right, here we go. Time to start fishing. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, Lily. Catch anything yet?
Oh no, but I'm hoping for something big. Oh boy, I think I got something. Oh wow, must be a big one. Oh wow!
Looks like you caught the number 2.
Handy Helpers, can we draw the number 2?
All right, Lily. Can you name some things that are in pairs of 2?
Well, we have 2 fishing rods. Oh, and bicycles have 2 wheels that go round and round. Oh, and I have 2 eyes and 2 ears. Actually, there are a lot of body parts that come in pairs of 2. We both have 2 arms and 2 legs. Oh, and when it's chilly, I put on 2 mittens on my 2 hands. And 2 shoes on my 2 feet.
Wow, that sure is a lot of things that come in the number 2. Wow, this is so much fun. I want to catch something. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I hope I catch something awesome like you did.
I'm sure you will. There are lots of surprises in the lake.
Oh, I think I got something. Looks like I caught the number 5. Awesome.
Great job, Andy.
Hey, I love to draw the number 5. Want to draw with me, Handy Helpers?
Wow. What else do you know about the number 5, Andy?
Well, I see 5 little ducks over there. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducks. Oh, and one of my favorite shapes, a star, has 5 points. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points. Oh, hey, we have 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we also have 5 toes.
Oh, wow. 5 little ducks, 5 points on a star, 5 fingers, 5 toes. That's a lot of 5s, Andy.
High five.
Oh, Andy, I think I got another one. Seems like a big one. Oh, wow.
Looks like you caught the number 3.
Handy Helpers, can you draw the number 3? Great job, Handy Helpers.
Hey, Lily, what do you know about the number 3?
Well, there are 3 sides of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. And, oh, 3 little pigs that went to the market. That's one of my favorite nursery rhymes. 1 little piggy, 2 little piggy, 3 little piggy. And let's see. Oh, 3 wheels on a tricycle. 1, 2, 3. And, oh, Andy, what's that sound? Look over there. 3 little bees. Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Nice. So 3 sides of a triangle, 3 little pigs, 3 wheels on a tricycle, and the 3 bees. That's a lot of 3s. Nice job. Hey Lily, I think I got something.
Oh wow, I wonder what it's gonna be.
Feels like it's gonna be something big.
Oh wow. Andy, looks like you got the number 4.
Awesome. Hey handy helpers, let's draw the number 4 together.
Great job, Andy. What else do you know about the number 4?
Well, I know that there are 4 wheels on a car. And dogs have 4 legs. Oh, squares, another one of my favorite shapes, has 4 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a chair has 4 legs.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of things with the number 4. Let's see. 4 wheels on a car, 4 legs on a dog, 4 sides to a square, and 4 legs on a chair. Amazing job, Andy.
Thanks, Lily.
Oh, Andy, I got one. I got one. I wonder what it's gonna be this time. Oh, wow.
That looks like the number 1.
Oh my goodness. Handy helpers, let's draw the number 1. Great job, handy helpers.
Okay, Lily, what do you know about the number 1?
Well, there's one sun in the sky. And let's see. I have one of your favorite tools, one hammer. And one wrench. And one magnifying glass. And one screwdriver. Turn, turn, turn.
Nice job. So, to recap, we have one sun, one hammer, one wrench, one magnifying glass, and one screwdriver.
You got it. We learned so many amazing things about numbers today. Hey, handy helpers, can you count with us? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, handy helpers.
Wow. Thank you for all your help today, handy helpers. But remember, at Andy's Workshop, we fix it,
Build it
and learn it together. See you next time.